60 or 70 arrive, full of hope each day, sure that by sunset they'll be full of glamour. The idea started 16 years ago when Alfred Morris, noted hairstylist, decided that a sound theoretical knowledge of hair health and hygiene, followed by a really intensive course of instruction in the secrets of his craft, was needed by new entrants to the hairdressing profession. It's not enough to know only how to cut and dress hair, he argued, and his ideas brought 100 pupils flocking to him every 6 months, eager to join the anti-twist and adjust brigade. 6 GIs came across the Atlantic to improve their technique, and sister, did they learn. Dexterity is developed on blocks, not dummies, please. Pupils work on nothing else for a whole month, before watching Alfred Morris himself, working on a live model, inspires them with visions of the new coiffures which may someday emerge from the treasure coffers of experience. Like it? Then take a closer look. From all parts of the world come these students, and it's nice to know that British hairstyles are now among our invisible exports. Mohammed Vakel will take his ideas back with him. Anecdotes about V-rolls and Juliets will delight Romano's friends in Bombay. Hena Manroe from Jamaica will dream of little but urchin cuts, beehives and pompadours. Let us hope that she, like the rest, will take back home pleasant memories of the faces beneath the crowns they learn to adorn.